Today I am going to discuss about partial fraction. I will discuss two examples. First one is 1 over x minus 1 into x minus 2. We can solve this example like this. We take a over x minus 1 plus b over x minus 2. Then this side we need to take a common denominator. Common denominator is x minus 1 into x minus 2. Here not x is 2, x minus 2, so I multiply by a x minus 2, ax minus 2 plus here not x is x minus 1, so I multiply by x minus 1. This side x minus 1 into x minus 2. Then we can remove this one and this one. Now we get a x minus 2 plus b x minus 1. We can expand this one, a x minus 2a plus bx minus b. 1 equal this one and this one we can take together, a plus b x minus 2a minus b. Then we need to find a and b, so we can compare in coefficient of both sides. Firstly I compare in coefficient of x, comparing x. This side not exist x, so this side coefficient of x is 0. 0 equal in this side a plus b. This is our first equation. Then I am going to compare in constant both sides. I will write here. I will remove this one. This. Comparing constant. Here 2a minus b. This side constant 1. This side minus 2a minus b. This is second equation. This one and this one we can use for the find a and b. I am taking this one to the here 0, a plus b, this one 1. We can add this one, a first one and second one. Then here's 1 minus 2a minus b plus a plus b. This one and this one remove. 1 equal 2a minus 2a plus a minus a. Then we can get a equal minus 1. A equal minus 1 we can substitute to the first equation. Zero equal a equal minus 1 plus b. Then b equal 1. this we found a equal -1 and b equal +1. Then we can substitute to the a and b for the our example. I'll write here a equal -1, b equal 1. Our example 1 over x minus 1 into x minus 2, we wrote a over x minus 1. A means a equal -1, so we can substitute to the here x minus 1 plus we wrote b over x minus 2, then we can substitute to b equal 1 over x minus 2. This is the solution. We can solve like this every partial fraction if there is a linear fraction in the denominator. Then I am going to discuss second example. Second example is x over x plus 1 into x minus 3. This is second example. In denominator exists linear fraction, so we can write like this: a over x plus 1 plus b over x minus 3. Then we should find a and b constant. We can solve previous example like I'm going to take common denominator this side. Common denominator is x plus 1 into x minus 3. Here not exist x minus 3, so I am going to multiply a by x minus 3. A x minus 3, here not exist x plus 1, so we need to multiply b by x plus 1. We can remove this one and this one. Here remain x, here a x minus 3 plus b x plus 1. Then we can expand this side. A x minus 3a plus bx plus b. X equal this one and this one, we can get together a plus b x minus 3a plus b. This is our equation. Then we can comparing coefficient. I am going to compare x coefficient of x. Here coefficient of x is 1. Here a plus b. Sorry. I will remove this one. Comparing x coefficient, here 1, this side a plus b. This is our first equation. Then we can comparing constant. Here not x is constant, so here 0. This side minus 3a plus b. Minus 3a plus b. This is our second equation. I am removing this side, this one. We can find a and b using first equation and second equation. I am going to add a I am going to subtract first one and second one. First minus second. Then this side 1. A plus b minus this one minus 3a plus b. 1 equal a plus b minus minus plus 3a minus into plus minus b. This one and this one we can remove. 1 equal 4a, then we can get a equal 1 over 4. This is our a. Then I can substitute a to the first equation. Substitute first equation. I'll write here. First equation, we can substitute this side 1, a equal 1 over 4 plus b. So we can 1 over 4, we can take 1 over 4 to the this side. 1 minus 1 over 4 equal b. 4 we can take common denominator and solve like this. 4 minus 3, 4 minus 1 is 3 over 4. Then we can get b equal 3 over 4. This is our b. I'll write here a equal 1 over 4, b equal 3 over 4. This is our constant. Our example is x over x plus 1 and x minus 3. I wrote like this: a over x plus 1 plus b over x minus 3. Now I can substitute a equal 1 over 4 to the here and b equal 3 over to the 4 here. A equal 1 over 4 x plus 1 plus b equal 3 over 4 over x minus 3. Now I can write like this: 1 over 4 into x plus 1 plus 3 for x minus 3. This is our solution.